From check-in to ground transportation and everywhere in between, traveler health and safety remains top priority. Rigorous cleaning protocols are in place on board aircraft, in the airport, on shuttle buses, and rental cars to mitigate the spread of COVID-19 and instill confidence in customers. Would-be travelers who worry flying isn't safe can rest assured that airlines are committed to their well-being before and after takeoff. To ensure customers fly with confidence, airlines have doubled down on their cleaning practices on board aircraft and require passengers to wear masks, among other measures. Las Vegas-based Allegiant regularly treats each aircraft with an advanced protection solution, which creates a microscopic film shown to kill any virus, germ, or bacteria coming in contact with a treated surface. The airline also cleans and disinfects all high-touch surfaces such as seatbelts, tray tables, galleys, and lavatories to the highest possible standard. And the cabin air, a mix of fresh and filtered air, which is refreshed every 3 minutes during flight, meets or exceeds hospital-grade standards thanks to the VOC, or volatile organic compound filters in use. Many airlines also provide passengers with a complimentary health and safety kit, which includes a face mask and cleansing wipes. Airlines also require passengers to confirm they're healthy before they can check in for a flight. Once on the ground, travelers who choose a rental car will find social distancing and mask requirements on the shuttle buses from the terminal to McCarran's Rental Car Center. Shuttle operator First Transit combines hospital-grade disinfectant with aerosol disinfectant to thoroughly clean and sanitize the interior of the buses. Handrails, floors, and other high-touch surface areas receive special attention.
Keeping our employees and passengers safe is our top priority. We want to be sure that they know that we take their safety seriously, and we want them to feel safe and comfortable traveling with us.
First Transit has implemented daily use of an ozone generating machine, which decontaminates by producing ozone gas to remove dangerous or irritating airborne particles. Picking up a rental car is a worry-free process as well. At Budget Car and Truck Rental of Las Vegas, for example, vehicles are subject to an interior and exterior 16-point cleaning routine. When a vehicle is dropped off, pre-sanitization ensures employee safety. Once the vehicle is driven through a car wash, employees get to work on the interior, vacuuming and wiping down the door handles, center console, seatbelt, steering wheel, trunk, and any other areas customers' hands might touch. A final check for quality control and additional disinfecting of high-touch surfaces takes place before a vehicle is made available for the customers. From start to finish, locals and Las Vegas visitors can feel confident that the extra precautions to protect their well-being are taken at each step of their journey.